Well, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention today recommended COVID booster shots to those with weakened immune systems. That move comes after the Food and Drug Administration did the same late last night. On your sides, Kaylee Tracy joins us live. Kaylee, you've talked with a local doctor who heads up a booster shot studies, I should say plural. What's he saying about this?
Dr. Michael Koren, he says this decision was based on findings that third dose dramatically increases antibody levels. Again, right now it's for the most vulnerable. As for the rest of us, he says that answer will possibly come whether we will need a booster shot in 2 to 3 months.
This doesn't apply to the average person. I want to emphasize that. For the average person, we are doing studies to determine if that third dose is truly valuable.
That's Dr. Michael Koren of the Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research's message about the FDA and the CDC's decision to recommend booster shots for those who are immunocompromised.
I know that I've already gotten a lot of questions from many different people who have asked whether or not they should get the third dose. These are folks who have already gotten their first 2 doses. And I'm telling them, unless you're at extraordinarily high risk, the answer to that would be no.
Koren is conducting a COVID booster shot study right now with local volunteers. He says we should know whether we'll all need booster shots in 2 to 3 months.
We have a situation where you have to measure the risk of an individual person and then make a decision about whether or not the booster is worth it. And at this point, we can only say that for the most high risk, most vulnerable people in our population.
If you're vaccinated, Koren says you're pretty protected.
You are in good stead. There are breakthrough cases, to be perfectly frank, of people who have been vaccinated. There are breakthrough cases of people getting COVID, but they tend to be very mild. And the reason for that is your immune system is ready.
As for now, he says we need to be patient.
Don't be premature. It would not be a good idea for you to assume that there's something beneficial to a third dose before we actually show in the studies.
Now, with the okay from both the FDA and the CDC, those shots can begin right away, again, right now for the most vulnerable. We'll be sure to keep you updated on air and online. For now, reporting live, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.
Kaylee, thank you so much.